I'm Diana Landau, and I live in South Orleans. I'm a trustee for Orleans Conservation Trust. My professional background is in publishing and communications. I worked on the West Coast for the Sierra Club for many years, so that was really my introduction to environmental work, although it was through the publishing arm of the organization. And I do a lot of that in my current role with the Trust. Help put the newsletter together and work on communications generally. Because I don't think there was any one moment, but more an accumulation of awareness that partly through my work at the club, of course, my reading, my looking at images, my realization that ancient glaciers in the Sierra Nevada where I had hiked were melting. That's a pretty big one. And thinking about what was happening in Glacier National Park, places like that. Being in big storms on Cape Cod, moved here in 2008, that has certainly had its impact, just being involved in land trust work. We really, my husband gave the big push on this, but when we moved into our current house, we did a natural gas renovation. We eventually put solar on our roof. We put quite a lot of solar on our roof, which was certainly helpful to us and hopefully to the environment. We drive a hybrid. Yeah, I think that's so representative of probably a lot of people here. And yet it often feels like it's so little to do. So we really all have to think very creatively about the future and what we can do with other people, because it's going to take a really big community of motivated, aware people to make a real impact here.